Good morning. I want to show you some articles which are available in the Webshop. The Vasinium, the red one, they have in different colors, also in white. In white, Vasinium, gold, and red, of course. This is the bigger size. Smaller size, always nice. Here we have the finish product, nice, soft, green material. Things for the finish material. The bottom is very painted, colored red. Silver, looks very nice in the arrangement. Always nice also. The branches of magnolia, see, already in the button, so they will grow. 4 red roses always will work, but Nerine, the red one, you can see that's also an attractive article. Here we have some branches, more other articles. You see many articles available for this Christmas season. Thank you.